Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
In the ever-evolving landscape of interior design, the kitchen stands as the heart of the home, a space not only for culinary creativity but also for aesthetic expression. As we step into the year 2025, a captivating trend emerges, promising to redefine kitchen elegance with a bold fusion of dark colors and opulent gold elements. Gone are the days of sterile white kitchens dominating the design scene. Instead, a rich and dramatic palette takes center stage. Deep shades of charcoal, navy, and forest green coat cabinetry and walls, exuding a sense of sophistication and warmth. These dark hues serve as a canvas for luxurious accents, elevating the ambience of the kitchen to new heights. At the forefront of this trend are gold elements, which add a touch of glamour and refinement to the space. Whether it's gleaming hardware on cabinetry, sleek faucets and fixtures, or shimmering pendant lights suspended above an island, gold effortlessly infuses a sense of opulence into every corner of the kitchen. Its reflective properties play with light, casting a warm glow that enhances the overall atmosphere, particularly in contrast to the darker tones surrounding it. In this elegant kitchen trend of 2025, harmony is found in the juxtaposition of textures and materials. Matte finishes on cabinetry provide a velvety depth, while glossy countertops and backsplashes introduce a lustrous sheen. Rich wood grains add organic warmth, balancing the metallic gleam of gold accents with natural beauty. Moreover, the integration of technology seamlessly blends with the luxurious aesthetic, offering both convenience and sophistication. Smart appliances discreetly merge into the cabinetry, maintaining a sleek and streamlined appearance. Touchscreen interfaces and voice-activated controls further enhance the futuristic allure of the space, transforming the kitchen into a hub of modern innovation. Beyond its visual appeal, the elegant kitchen trend of 2025 also prioritizes functionality and practicality. Thoughtfully designed storage solutions maximize space efficiency, ensuring a clutter-free environment that fosters creativity and ease of movement. Multifunctional island designs serve as both prep areas and gathering spots, promoting social interaction and culinary collaboration. Furthermore, sustainability emerges as a key consideration in this trend, with eco-friendly materials and energy-efficient appliances taking precedence. From recycled glass countertops to energy-saving LED lighting, every element is chosen with environmental consciousness in mind, reflecting a commitment to responsible living without compromising on style or luxury. In essence, the elegant kitchen trend of 2025 represents a harmonious marriage of timeless sophistication and contemporary innovation. Through the bold interplay of dark colors and gold elements, this design aesthetic transforms the kitchen into a space of unparalleled beauty and functionality, a true expression of modern luxury in the heart of the home.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!